Listen, if you're busy, tired, overwhelmed, or simply too lazy to sit down with books and apps, this is for you. Because the truth is brutal. You've wanted to speak Spanish for years. You've downloaded apps, you've watched videos, maybe you even paid for classes. And yet, when someone speaks Spanish to you, your brain freezes, your mouth shuts, and you feel stupid. Not because you're bad at languages, but because you've been using the wrong method. All those courses expect you to study like a college student, memorizing grammar, conjugation charts, flashcards. Who has time for that? You're busy, you work, you have a life. You need something that actually fits your reality. That's exactly why Spanish for Newbies exists. It's the only Spanish course built for people who hate studying, are always on the go, want results fast, need to understand and speak without thinking. Instead of studying, you simply listen. Driving? Listen. Cooking? Listen. Walking? Listen. At the gym? Listen. And without effort, your brain starts absorbing Spanish naturally, the same way you learned your first language. No homework, no grammar charts, no stress, just effortless learning that actually works. People spend $500 to $2,000 on language schools and still can't order a coffee. You get over 400 audio lessons, 13 ebooks, travel phrases, immersion exercises, and binaural audio for just $27. That's not a price. It's your investment. It saves you years of frustration, thousands of dollars, embarrassment when you can't understand. Imagine 30 days from now, you're confidently understanding Spanish speakers, you're talking back, you feel proud, capable, connected, all because you made one decision today. If you're busy, lazy, or desperate to finally speak Spanish, this is your moment. Stop wasting time. Stop feeling embarrassed. Stop waiting for someday. Click the link. Get the course. Let the audio do the work. SpanishForNewbies.com. Your future Spanish-speaking self will thank you.